Yeah, hey, welcome back to EJ Tech Solution. A friend of mine gave me his phone that he can't remember the password. This is a Samsung Galaxy 7, as you can see. See there? H7. He can't remember his password. So try put it in. Nothing. So going to be doing a factory reset. Reset the phone back to factory default. So just follow the steps and remember to give me a thumbs up, comment below if you like my video. I'm just going to show you step by step how to do this. Alright, first thing you want to shut down the phone, turn it off. In this case we can't turn it off because of the password. So we're gonna press it down and wait for the turn on button to come up. You press the power button, press down the power button, the volume up key and the home button. So press and hold the three buttons same time: the power, volume up key and the home button. Three of them same time. Press and hold. See, it's coming up. Just keep holding. You can release it now. Give it time.
So by doing so, you right now we can navigate with the volume up and down button, and then we use the power button to select. So to do the data factory reset, we have to select the wipe data factory reset. So coming down, there we go, data factory reset. Once you see the message that says red display, if your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, email address and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So that's just it. You should remember your Google account and password. So we're gonna select it with the power button. Alright, power button, and a warning message will come up if you really want to do it. If you don't want it, you said no if you want. In this case we want to do it, so we're gonna select yes with the volume down key, volume down button. There you go. And then select it with, we're gonna confirm it with the power button. Time for it to boot come up.
Okay, at this point guys, once it come up, you just have to follow the steps. Just wait for it to come up. That's it. There we go. That's it. Just hit the start. There we go. Hit the start. hit on it and wait, thumbs up, and then OK, because you want to add in your Wi-Fi credential. Select the Wi-Fi that you're using and enter the Wi-Fi, put the Wi-Fi key, security key, and confirm it. Wait for it to load. Next, once it's finished, that's it. Agree to terms and conditions. Make sure you read terms and conditions and agree. Agree to terms and conditions. And agree. Agree. It's gonna load. Give it the time while it's loading. It's loading. After this point, after this, it's gonna reboot the phone. Sweet. There we go. Reboot the phone. That's it. Give it a time while it come up. Wait for it to come up. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like my video. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to drop your comment below. Alright, hit the notification icon for more of my videos. Make sure you hit the notification icon for more videos, guys. Just hold on, it's coming up. During that time. That's it. Start in Android. There we go. There we go. Checking for updates. Just a second. It's coming up. Android phone is ready. Android device is all set to go. You can see. So after this point, you just have to put in your Google account. Verify your Google account. Just verify your Google account by putting your email address and password, and your phone is all set. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Like my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment below and subscribe. See you on my next video.